Tony's Town Square restaurant in Magic Kingdom is an Italian-themed eatery located at the entrance of Main Street, U.S.A. Inspired by the classic Disney movie Lady and the Tramp, Tony offers a fun and cozy atmosphere with charming decor, including those references to the iconic movie. The restaurant's casual, yet inviting ambiance makes it a great choice for anyone looking for a relaxed meal in the heart of Magic Kingdom. The patio provides a comfortable space while still keeping you connected to the park. The menu features classic Italian dishes like pasta, pizza, and salads. We started off with Tony's garlic bread for the table. Here's the best part: garlic parmesan fondue. Together, it was a perfect pairing. The seasonal soup full of sausage. Yup, delicious. Signature dishes include chicken parmesan, which was recommended to us, and then the classic spaghetti and meatballs, which I recommend to you. Tony's also offers a variety of desserts. Can't go wrong with a cappuccino. And gotta have the famous tiramisu. Both did not disappoint. Oh, I can't forget to introduce the cutest kids cupcake with spaghetti and meatballs on top. Tony's is truly a family-friendly spot, offering the perfect mix of calm and comfort, all inspired by the classic film of Lady and the Tramp. Here's one more cool fact. Be sure to take a moment in front of the patio. What for? Look down. You'll spot paw prints in the ground, an adorable detail that completes this love story.